strings louder.
Hey YouTube, Magnificent here. Today we're going to be changing this. I was trying to get all the chrome off of this thing. I broke this off, not realizing that they were so connected, and someone else broke that piece off. It's still salvageable, just gotta get epoxy. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie these, then epoxy them, and then sand them, and then it'll be good to go. So underneath, so I got a small zip tie, got a 9 64th, or I don't know what it was. It was a very, very small drill bit. Small hole first, then big hole second. I try to get as small holes as I can, just less work to do, you know? So once I probably gotta do 2 of these. This goes underneath. So I'm gonna tighten this as much as possible. See right there? I'm gonna put another one right here, and then we'll be stuck. Then I'll epoxy it as it's supposed to be, and it'll look like this once it's, see that? Yep. All right, so I'll get to that point. Okay, I'm gonna drill this through. There it is. Then we get another zip tie. And I'll put it through so I can do the next one. Notice that I'm doing the zip ties. I'm putting the lock end, quote unquote, on the bottom. Why am I doing that? Well, what'd be easier to do to sand off? A big knot. And the truth is, once I epoxy this, I'm gonna cut off the zip ties anyway, but it's just easier not to sand off this big knot. Only purpose of the zip tie is just to keep it held in tight versus a human holding it, because this is a lot more secure. That's all. So just remember, put these in the bottom. Pretty good break, actually. What's harder are these, when it breaks in the corner, getting these to stay. See that there's still an indentation? So it may not be perfect. You're almost gonna need to hold it like this so it can heal perfectly, because otherwise it'll heal. You can see that there's a little, doesn't heal evenly versus, anyway, you'll see it. But this one, pretty easy. Like put together, it's like 2 little bows. You'll think, how in the world is that gonna fit together? You shall see. Magic of epoxy. So right now these are like so. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them to have more to work with. All right, I'm applying epoxy now, just from Walmart. Mix for 20 seconds and apply. Notice I'm leaving the top parts of the zip ties on. Be generous. You'll have more sanding, but you'll make sure it's solid. You may have to do some sanding, like I said, but it'll be solid. And what I'm gonna do is so that one looks pretty good right there. But I wanna get it away from these clips, because that's gonna prevent a clip from bonding with the shroud. So I don't wanna have to sand right there. Okay, everywhere else but there. That's all I need, really. But since I got more, get it off here. So I don't want it to go in the areas that don't need it. Kill that mosquito. Okay. It's in action. The cracks are covered here, here. I was right here. Hardened. The rest will be history. We'll see you in 30 minutes. We'll go ahead and sand off the rest of this. It's real simple. Dremel, so not bad. What I might do, just in case, I was gonna just put some Bondo or some glazing putty over this, then sand it down, make it look smooth. Same thing with this area, but after you do that, go ahead and just paint it. It's already soft as it is, And we're back. Here's the spot putty. Or actually, this is actually Bondo and plastic. I just did that instead. I just knocked on these areas. I'm gonna let these dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sand them. And go ahead and paint and get back in business.